Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make this really quick book icon. I know book icons for indexes are quite popular in many games, so I think this will be a very useful icon to make. I know this video is going to be a little short. It's not the most complicated thing to make, but yeah, I'm trying to stay as consistent as possible with these videos. So I'm gonna bring back the rating stuff. I'm gonna start doing those as well. Although, if you guys want to show some support, head over to gfxcomment.com. These videos take effort, so any support is highly appreciated. We got lots of stuff here for you to choose from. This will just allow me to keep making videos. Now for me, I think the easiest way to make this is I'm thinking to just make a new layer, to take our pencil, and if we start, let's just go around. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but let's just go around this entire shape, right? So here, up, across, up, and all the way back. Because now, let me resize. With this thing, we have the entire shape. Change the color, make a new layer, and we're going to now use our pencil and make the pages section just like this. Right. I'm going to try to make this accurately. Anyways, Control T, we can enlarge this proportionally. Now let's grab this color, change the color here. Or actually, I'm gonna redo this thing really quickly. Okay, this is fine. We're gonna keep this. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Let's make a new layer. We're gonna make the top part. So the top part is basically just gonna go right here. It's gonna go down, round off, and let's just go across here. Right click, create mask. Let's see what we have. Right, double click, change color, and this is what we have so far. It's not looking too bad. And now let's make a new layer right in between, right here. I'm gonna go for this part. It's just gonna go all the way up here and back. Okay, cool. Change the color here. This is what we have below everything, actually. My bad. Okay. And now I think we can begin shading. So let me try to make more space. Okay, cool. Alright, so for the top part, make a new layer. Right click, clip, brush tool. Color is black, and we're just gonna start painting here. And then white over here. We're gonna hold control, click on this layer. Go to this tool, right click, hit select inverse, and delete. So now we go overlay. We're gonna change the color to this. Okay, looks pretty good. And with this thing, we're gonna add some shading as well. I want to make this its own layer actually, so let's bring it up. Okay, so with this new layer, clip. This is just a very simple shape. Alright, just like that. And there's this like line thingy. So very simple as well. Here, here, and here. change the color. I'm gonna click this up here. I'm gonna keep this over here. Okay, and now on this layer, I'm going to blending options. We go for a drop shadow. Go for this angle with this color. Nice. I'm gonna go to the top layer, this one. Double click. Air shadow. I think. Yeah. Okay. Air shadow. Right here, and change the color to this color. Okay, looks pretty good. And I think just some shading here is gonna be fine. Some very slight shading. Go soft light. And then lastly, on this layer as well, let's add. Let's add a drop shadow. Change the color. Right, and then another drop shadow. This time, like this. All right, and now let's take everything. Control G, Control J. You can right click, make this a smart object, and take this. We're gonna add a nice stroke to finalize everything. 30, and there you guys have it. There is our finished book icon. If this video has helped you guys at all, make sure to check out our store. We're going to be adding a ton more UI kits and templates that are going to be coming real soon. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.